Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves here again. Today I'm gonna show you how to make sugar wax for your hair removals at home. Now this is 100% natural, easy, and it doesn't contain any chemicals. This is a very effective way of removing hair, and it doesn't usually leave you with bumps. It does not irritate your skin. It is gentle and milder as compared to the others. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm gonna get a non-stick pan. I'm gonna put in 1 cup of brown sugar. Then I'm gonna come in with 1/8 pack of water. Then I will add 1/8 part of lemon juice. I'm gonna put it on low fire and mix it up. I will mix it up till it starts boiling. When it thickens up a little bit and when the color changes to golden brown, it is ready. This is gonna take about 15 to 20 minutes. So put off the fire and let it cool down. I'm then gonna transfer it into a storage bottle. After it has cooled down enough, you can now use it. I'm just gonna test it on my arm. And as you can see, it's taking out all the hair. This is so cheap and it saves you a lot of money. And it is edible too, so you can see there is no harm in trying this. You just have to be careful not to use it whilst it's still too hot. This is also very good for Brazilian waxing. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you've not subscribed to this channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video. Until next time, I'm gonna see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.